If you drive a Model 3 or Y, you know the center console is basically a giant, deep, disorganized pit. This central armrest storage box accessory promises to solve that notorious black hole problem with zero effort. Seriously, installation is a joke, the good kind. They say seconds, and they mean it. No tools, no fuss, this organizer tray just drops right into place. And the fit. It's absolutely seamless. It looks like it came straight from the factory, which is always the gold standard for these kinds of accessories. This specific three-piece F-style solution really maximizes the space, giving you that crucial hidden layer underneath while keeping the top tray instantly accessible. What you get is instant, classified storage. We're talking dedicated spots for your sunglasses, those loose coins that always rattle around, your phone, and those pesky data cables and headphones. It turns that deep cavern into a tiered system, making those small, frequently used items easy to grab without digging. Now let's talk quality. It's made from high-quality materials that feel durable, not flimsy. Crucially, they included anti-slip rubber pads at the bottom. This is a small detail, but it's vital. Nothing is more annoying than hearing your keys slide around every time you take a corner. These pads lock your items down completely, ensuring silence and stability. And for the practical side of life, maintenance is a breeze. Since this tray is designed to hold all the small, potentially dirty stuff, the fact that you can just wipe it clean is a huge win. It keeps the interior looking sharp without needing a vacuum cleaner every week. Honestly, for such a simple, inexpensive upgrade, the impact on daily usability is massive. It's the kind of thing you install and immediately wonder why you didn't do it sooner. It just makes the car feel more organized and less cluttered. If you are tired of digging for your wallet in the abyss of the center console, this organizer tray is an essential, perfectly fitting, and incredibly practical solution.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.